and detail them. But before we do that, there's something we ought to have done, which is we should have give our drawing a grid line. So that's what I'll quickly be doing now. So I have create a property for grid line. I will activate it. Then I'll come to this place and select my line, the hidden line. Then I will come here and I'll draw a line. I look for the center of this. I'll draw it like this. Then I will draw another line, maybe somewhere here, vertically, so that I can extend these two. Okay, can just extend these two. All right. Okay, once I'm done, I'll delete this. Then I'll change the property, the scale of this, because it's an hidden line. So what I'll do is that I'll click Control 1 on my keyboard to activate properties dialog box. Then I'll increase the scale to be 30 so that I can see the hidden line properly. Okay, let me make it maybe 50 perhaps. All right, then I'll escape. I'll close this. Then I'll copy this. Okay, our grid lines usually drawn vertically and horizontally. Okay, so I'm going to copy this from I think we can draw another one here as well. Why I'm drawing this line is to be able to locate the center of my wall. Okay, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it, place one here at the center, another one here at the center, another one here at the center. Okay, then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to select copy and I'm going to copy it and put it, or pardon me, select it, copy, I'll select and copy it here. Then we are to draw another vertical grid. So what we'll do is that I will try and locate the center here. So I'll just draw it up here. Okay, then I can draw another line here just to extend it. I'll click extend, select this, right click, and I'll just extend it to this. Then I will move this. I'll change the property of this scale, the scale of this as well, to 50. Okay, so that I can properly see that it's an hidden line. So I'm going to copy it to all of this side again as well. So I select line, try and get my center line here. Okay, then I'll draw another one. I think we have our line. So what I'll do is I'll click and I'll copy from here. Pardon me. I'll copy, select from here, copy it and place it here, and I'll copy or place it somewhere here. Then we can as well do the same thing here. So what I'll do is that I select this and I'll copy it. I'll look for the place, then I'll bring it here. Okay, now we have all our grid line drawn. So what we are doing next is to label our grid lines. So what I'll do is that I'll come here, I'll select the text and I'll draw. Okay. I'll type A, capital A, then I'll highlight it, then I'll change this to 250. I'll say okay. So then I'll come here and draw a circle. Oh, sorry, it's not a circle, that's an ellipse. Okay, so I'll come here and draw a circle. I'll just come like this, draw one, then I'll move it up from here at the edge. Then I can now move this. Let me reduce this. Then I can now move this and put it at the center. So I will off my auto mode. I can put it at the center like this. Then I'll select the two together. Then I'll copy. Okay, I'll copy here. I'll copy here. I'll copy here. Alright, then I'll name this to be B. I'll say B, capital B. Okay, then this will be C. Then this will be D. Then I can select all of these together. Then I'll come to mirror. Then I'll look for center of any of these. The center, and I'll draw like this. Say no. Wow, it's not straight. Let me redo that. At the same time, I can copy instead of looking for the center. This I'll trace up this place and I'll just copy it and bring it down like this. Then I'll delete this. Okay. Then this one as well. Let me just copy one of these. Okay. I'll copy. I'll look for this edge here. Then I'll copy and place it here. I'll copy and put it at the other one. Then I'll place it here and I'll place it where here as well. Alright, then this will be one. This will be one. This will be pardon me. So this will be two. This will be three. This will be four. And this will be five. Okay. Then I can as well copy this. Copy. Okay. I'll copy to this side. Alright, so we have our vertical axis of our grid labeled with letters, then the horizontal with number. Okay, so now we will just do our section. Okay, we'll draw a section and see where it will cut. So I'm gonna I'm going to, what I'll do now is that I'll create another property. So I'll name it section. Okay, I'll name it section. Then I'll leave the line white. Then this, I'll just leave it like this. Okay, then I'll close it and I'll come here. I'll activate the section. Alright, this is the section. Then this line, I will look for another line here. I'll look for let me load new. Let me say okay, this is what I need for my section. Okay, and I'll say okay. Alright, then I'll close this. Then I'll come here, turn it like this. Then I'll come here. I want to cut a section that will be facing here. Okay, so I'll come from here and I'll draw. I'll activate my auto mode and I'll draw another one here so that it's facing here. Then I'll draw another one here like this. Or peradventure I will use a polyline. Okay, my section will come like this, F mode. Okay, and it will come like this. Then I'm going to select it and check my property. I will scale it to be 50. Okay, then let me make it to be 70. All right, then I think that's that about that. Then we will come here again and repeat the same thing. Sorry, pardon me. I'll come here. I want to draw another section. Okay, I want another section facing down like this. Sorry, another section. I'll draw it from here facing down, and I'll make sure it cuts through this place like this. Then I can do the property as well. Then I will say 70. All right, so that's our section line drawn. So I can name this section, I can say this section B, it cuts through B and C, or let me just name it section AA. Okay, I'll just say section, I will select and I'll say 300. Okay, then I'll write A hyphen A. Okay, so I'll just come here and I'll put it down here. I can reduce this, come off this like this. So that's my section AA. Then I'll copy it down, Okay, then I will write another one, or let me just copy this. All right, let me just copy this. I'll put it in like this, and I'll say section BB. Okay, section BB. All right, now I can just copy this and put it here like this. All right, so now we have our section drawn, we have the grid line. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to do our section elevation. But before then, I'll first of all come here, I'll come to offset, and I will offset 600. Okay, I'll offset this inside, offset it inside. That's where the wall is stopping. Okay, then I can select this. I will come here by layer and I'll say this one by block. Then I can increase the size. Then I'll say here, then hidden line. Then I can increase the property. Okay, I'll say maybe 35. Okay, I'll close this. Then I'll change the color. Then I'll come to offset. I'll say 225. Then this is simply showing our wall inside the roof. So what I'll do is that I'll copy all of these grid and this section. Then I'm going to copy it so that we can have section on our roof as well. Then I'm going to place it here. Okay, I think we are good now. So in our next class, what we'll be doing is doing our section elevation. Okay, so now we can see that this one is facing down, it's facing this place. So we are going to do the elevation and we'll do the roof as well. Then we'll see how we can label it. All right, see you in the next class. Thank you.